XS3 code. XS3 code is nothing but adding 3 to a decimal number or a BCD number. BCD we have discussed in the last class, representing a decimal in the form of 8421 code. For example, 12 is represented in BCD as 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1, 0. XS3 for the 12 is adding 3 to the each digit, that is, so we will get as 4 and 5. So XS3 of this one is adding 3 to this one is 4 and adding 3 to this 2 is 5. So directly we are adding 3 for this BCD. So XS3 code can be called as modified BCD code. Let us see XS3 representation of decimal digits from 0 to 9. So XS3 of 0 is adding plus 3 becomes 3. XS3 of 1 is plus 3 is 4. 0, 1, 0, 0. XS3 of 2 is adding 3 to the 2. So it is nothing but 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. Similarly we have for 3 we are adding plus 3 becomes 6. These are the XS3 codes of decimal numbers from 0 to 9. In each and every case we are adding plus 3 to the decimal digit. Let us see the XS3 addition. In XS3 addition, we add the two XS3 numbers. If there is a carry, add 3 to the sum of 2 digits. If there is no carry, then we need to subtract 3. It is better understood with an example. So let us see an example. Add 8 and 6. XS3 for 8 is plus 3 is nothing but 11 and XS3 for 6 is 6 plus 3 is 9. So we need to take XS3 of these two 8 and 6 and we need to add. So 1 plus 1 0, sum is 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum is 0 carry 1 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry is 1. So carry is there. If there is a carry on adding two XS3 numbers, we need to add 3 to the sum of 2 digits. So here this is a 1 digit and if we proceed with 3 zeros and this becomes a digit. So we need to add 3 for these 2 digits. So adding 3 to the 2 digits, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 sum is 0 carry 1. So 0 plus 1 1 and 0 plus 0 0. So 8 plus 4 is nothing but 14. So XS3 of 4 is 7. XS3 of 1 is 4. Let us take another example when carry is 0. So add two numbers which we get carry as 0. So add 1 and 2. So XS3 of 1 is 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. XS3 of 2 is 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. So adding these two we get as 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1 sum is 0 and carry is 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So there is no carry. On adding these two XS3 numbers, there is no carry. So what we need to do? We need to subtract 3 for this obtained result. So performing subtraction. So 1 minus 1 is nothing but difference is 0. So 0 minus 1. So we need to subtract higher value from the lower value. For that we need to take a borrow. So here there is no borrow. So we need to take from the 4th digit from here. So from here we get as 1 0. From here we will take again one more borrow 1 and here also a value will be there. So 1 minus 0 1 and this is we have taken borrow. So here there is no value. So 0. This is nothing but 6. XS3 of 3 is nothing but 6. On adding 1 plus 2 we get 3. So the result is 3. and this subtraction is understood from the binary subtraction table. So here the binary subtraction, we have seen the difference and borrow. From these rules we have done the subtraction. So this is the case for binary addition. If there is a carry, adding 3. If there is no carry, subtracting 3 for the obtained result. Hope you understood.